In this video, I'll show you how you can easily recover deleted WhatsApp photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and you might have deleted some conversations on your WhatsApp, and also it removed any photos in that conversation. So now let me show you the easiest way how you can recover those photos. Let's hop out WhatsApp for now and then just head over to Photos. On Photos app, first off, tap at Albums. That will show you all your albums, and then right there hit at See All. After that, scroll down until you find that WhatsApp album. As you can see, I got over 400 photos in that album, and that album has been automatically created by WhatsApp app, and WhatsApp automatically saves any picture from any conversation to that album. So even if you have removed a conversation on WhatsApp, you can get into that album to see all the photos. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.